Hi everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today's recipe is this delicious lobster masala. So let's check out the recipe. First take 4 lobster tails. Add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it and keep it aside. Mustard oil 7 teaspoon. First fry the lobster tails. Fry it the same way you fry shrimp or prawns. Fry it for 10 minutes in medium flame. Once you see the color coming in the back and you see it's got ready for, then just remove it to a plate. If you want, you can also boil it instead of frying it like this. Now our lobster fried is ready. Now add another 5 teaspoon of mustard oil in the same pan. Add 1 medium size onion, finely chopped. Fry till it gets golden brown. Put the flame high. Add 1 bay leaf. Take another medium onion in grinder and add some cumin seed, half teaspoon. Grind to a smooth paste. Add everything to the pan. Now add 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and high flame. Add turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per your taste again. Add chili powder 1 teaspoon, add more if you want. Water 1/4 cup, 2 tomatoes. Mix everything well till it gets soft. Cover and cook it in medium flame. Stir in between. Add water if required. If it is getting burned in the bottom, just add some water and cook it till masala gets soft. Add some meat masala or garam masala 1 teaspoon. Again mix well. So all the tomatoes getting soft now. Add some coriander 1/4 cup. Again give it a mix. Now add the fried lobster tails. Now cook it in medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep mixing in between. Add water 1 cup of water. Add more water if you want, or make it a more curry, then add more water. 1 cup is enough for making it as a masala. Cover and cook it in a medium flame for 5 minutes. And our lobster masala is ready to serve. It looks really delicious and the taste was amazing. Now I'm going to break the shell because I felt it is really hard to eat like this. So I thought of breaking the shells and removing the meat. So take something heavy and then try to break the shells. Just remove the shells like this and remove the complete lobster out of it, and see how big it is. It's coming to 1 palm size. So I'm breaking the other one also. So this one came out really well, so it was easy to pull out the entire meat. So you can just break from beginning to end and then just pull out the meat. Similarly the third one also I broke it and it's ready. Then I mix the meat with the masala and now it's ready to eat and it's really awesome in taste. You guys can try it and let me know your comment in the comment section. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.